Okay, so today we're going to start working on the subframe, and my material just dropped off this morning. I'm shorted 2 pieces that'll be here tomorrow. They were on back order. They've got a shipment coming in, and so they're going to bring it tomorrow. We got 2-inch square tube here, 1/4 inch. We've got 2x4 rectangular tube here, and we've got a 3x3 piece of angle. So let's go ahead and get started loading up that bandsaw. Well, we're going to start placing all the pieces on the frame, getting them aligned, clamped into position, make sure everything fits the way it's supposed to. And then after all that, I'm going to mark where I want my holes to be. I'm going to try to use existing holes in the frame, but I think I'm going to have to drill probably about 4 holes at least. So I'll take you through that process, so let's get rolling. Here. Okay, this is what we have going on. This piece of metal right here is a cross member for the scissor lift, which is, over there. These guide shoes are going to be welded to this plate, and they're also going to be welded to the subframe. This setup here will allow the front of the subframe to be connected to the back part without actually being in the way of anything. But that pretty much sums it up for, just getting this laid out. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a preview before I paint these. This is the wood I was talking about. So it's pretty straightforward, I believe. But I countersunk the holes, you can see here, so that the bolts would set down below the surface of the wood. And the bed is gonna sit down on here like we discussed before. What it's going to like before we start the next video, which is going to be welding on those hinges and putting those bed rails up, and quite possibly putting some cross members in.